asked a question. Well, my son was there with me. Well, we had kids too. In fact, I was the teacher of the children's group up there. And Pastor Ed was teaching us, and he said, so everybody, he said, explain manna. What is manna? And everybody got quiet. My son, Jared, he yelled out, he had to be maybe 3 years old. He said, what is it? And everybody said, oh, what is he doing? And he kept saying, and Pastor Ed said, so what is manna? And Jared said, what is it? Come to find out that was the answer. Manna means, what is it? And I thought that was so cute, and everybody laughed, about 3 years old. And he said, what is it? It was provision they never saw before. Sometimes God removes the familiar.